What is Zero Trust Architecture? Hello and welcome to this series on Zero Trust Architecture. I'm Sachin Jain. I work with teams to implement cybersecurity controls in their organization. Zero Trust Architecture is based on the principle of explicit trust. In order for a user to access the information within your network, the trust between the user and the network needs to be established firmly and frequently. When we talk about information security, we always talk about three things that are important: confidentiality, integrity, and availability, also referred to as the CIA triad. Zero Trust Architecture increases the importance of the integrity arm. This is because it relies on assurance that with all the technological advances, the availability arms will catch up. It relies on the understanding that the IT infrastructure will require a significant investment over a period of time to ensure that the accessibility arm of the system is optimized, even after the trust in the identity shifts from being implicit to near zero. We'll look at how you can help your team understand the basic concepts, issues, and review creative solutions. We will especially focus on adapting existing systems to the ZTA model. Through the whole series, I will emphasize how you can do this yourself within your organization, or if you're planning on using an outside agency or product, you can use the information to help evaluate which of these agencies and products are most likely to help your team out. I've got a lot of information for you on ZTA and how it fits your business and IT processes. So let's get started.